Zimbabwe's art, culture, history, wildlife, and natural scenic attractions, together with the warm hospitality of our people, make our country a unique tourist destination. Tourism has been a major contributor to the gross national product, totaling more than 30% and employing 10% of the national labor force in Zimbabwe. The UZA government will work to promote Zimbabwe as an exciting, internationally attractive and safe tourist destination. Our government will ensure the development and promotion of Zimbabwe's tourism industry on a sustainable basis for the generation of foreign currency as well as the creation of jobs. With me as your president, the development of cottage industries and domestic tourism will be guaranteed while responsibly upholding a policy of national wildlife and historic conservation in sync with the environmental dictates of the 21st century. We will create an environment for active private sector participation in the development of Zimbabwe's tourism infrastructure, especially in the provision of hotels, lodges and resorts, tourist activities and other recreational and entertainment facilities.
Uza.